Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baiklah, saya akan mempresentasikan materi saya dari jurnal. Yang pertama, Other. Kuku Dewi Pamuji, Rob Warung, Erik Kurniawan. Publication date Juli 2017. Title or article of chapter atau sama dengan judul buku. Judul buku tersebut adalah EFL Teacher Expansion Developing Proficiency Solve Expansion Listening. Book of Journal title Preprint Journal. Research Method Qualitative. Research Design Survey and Research Subject or Population on Ensemble at this stage 27 English teacher Precipitate 25 of them report to have done well and enjoyed doing it. Next ada research question or statement of problem. Yang pertama, how do EF teacher become more engaged BEL when developing profitably? Yang kedua ada how do you help to teacher give link to principal and obtain daily. Next ada data analysis. Data analisisnya dari jurnal ini tidak ada. Yang terakhir ada summary of result. Summary of result. This study is explore how to offer this for the EFL teacher and experience this their also development by participating along an analysis. Next jurnal yang kedua yaitu nama penulis Wendy Heu, publication date Januari 2012, judul buku English Language Teaching and Learning, Issue and Malaysia Learning Participation with Facebook Dialog Journal. Next ada book or journal title yaitu Science Journal. Riset metodenya kualitatif, terus riset desainnya survei, and riset subject or population on sample ada 40 referred from publication and privacy collects and university discuss learning issue including explains that the occur during English lesson, secondary school collects and university learners view and comment and issue pertaining to English language teaching and suggestion to improve the teaching and learning of English. Next ada riset or statement of trouble yang dimana umur 11 sampai 13 tahun years families to the school and between 5 sampai 7 years in school learning English, but version in student are still able master and language often complaints to the school. And ada research purpose. Research purpose-nya adalah the purpose of this research was to gather English and second language ESL learners. Prevision pertaining to that explain in learning English language globally, school, college, and local university. Next ada data analysis yaitu the journal assists with analysis using context analysis and categories according to the learner's problem in learning the form language skill, speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Learners classroom observation and learners suggestion to a teacher and other learners on the teaching learning English to frequently. Yang terakhir ada summary of result. Summary of result. The journal address we analysis using the analysis and category according the learner's problem. Learning in the four language skill, fifth skill, listening, reading, and learner's classroom observation and learn suggestion learners on the teaching and learning of English version. Oke, jurnal ketiganya. Yang pertama nama pengarangnya ada Gopal Krishna Sekna Nair. Yang kedua ada Rozalna Abdurrahim. Yang ketiga ada Rozana Roh. Yang ketiga ada Setia Alen Farida bin Muhammad Adam Nur Hayati Husin. Yang ketiga ada Elengkera Spetbi Rezita. Yang ketiga ada Muhammad Saidatul Musliha. Publication date-nya 2012. Title of article of chapter atau judul buku adalah ICT and Teacher Attitude English Language Teaching. Book or journal title adalah Science Journal. Riset metodenya adalah kuantitatif, and riset desainnya ada survei. And riset subject population or sample. 60 school teacher with import 39 films and 20 males with selection from 8 primary school in Miri, Sarawak, and the teacher were those involved the teaching of English. The explain method was used that was enrolled locally. Next, ada research question and statement or problem. Yang pertama, research question 1 and 2. The other hands inferential statistic. The form of correlation analysis was used and answer result for research question and 5 and 6 were answered using the test. Research purpose-nya, the purpose of typing find of the teacher are actually ready for the never innovation. Data analisisnya atau collection, the questionnaire was distributed all the sample since the respondent we rank as educated before no explanation rationale of guarantee give prior the answering the question. The questionnaire was analysis USPP different record distribution at this analysis stage. Okay, next ada summary of result. Summary of result. This study seeks to fix out whether the teacher are in fact ready for the never innovation. The check on the teacher attitude for the ICT, English language teaching, and the external to which teacher use it to able I can comment a survey was carried the primary school Mary South total English selection given set the questionnaire. Oke, jurnal yang keempat, nama pengarang ada Dedi F. Rizal. Publication date ada Oktober 2012. Judul bukunya Improving Student Speaking, Talk, Communication, Language Teaching Method at Metis di Al-Sentud Al-Dasa. Next ada book or journal title, ada Science Journal. And riset metodenya ada kuantitatif, riset desainnya ada survei. And riset subject or population and on sample. Sini ada the responder this research of fee and student of MTSJA Al-Halak Sentot Al-Dasa Islamic Boarding School di Bengkulu and consists of 25 student. Next ada research question or statement or problem. The research question in this research in how does communication language teaching method involve student speaking extent of the years student MTSJ Hal Sentul Bahasa Islamic Boarding School of the The Bengkulu Academic 2011 sampai 2012. Oke, research purpose-nya adalah the research question in this research in the how does communication language teaching the method years. Oke, next ada data analisisnya. Data analisisnya yang pertama ada first research collection individual scores the 10 and clearly giving test the student. This research in Yang terakhir ada summary of result. This result indicate the using of the communicative language teaching method can improve student speaking activity at first. Yes, student of MTS Jahat Sentubi Al-Bias Islami. Oke, jurnal terakhir. Nama pengarangnya ada Muhammad Rahul Amin, Matehi Aziz, dan Muhammad Abdul Kalam. Publication date-nya 2018. Terus title of article of chapter-nya the benefit of using multimedia projector in English language teaching classroom. Book jurnal titelnya adalah Science Journal, and research methodnya adalah mix kuantitatif and kualitatif, and research desainnya adalah survey, interview. Subject research subject or population ensemble-nya tidak ada. Langsung ke research question or statement of problem. Jadi pertanyaan yang pertama ada how does multimedia projector benefit language teaching? 2. What are teaching profits about the using multimedia project in English? Next, the purpose. The purpose of article is to provide that different language teaching methods like communicative language teaching and DMD sports using multimedia projector. Next ada data analysis. Data analisisnya adalah the finding of the research have been inferred and artificially and the research question. The beginning of the illustration, the finding from the class impression along with sorting previous vital issue, the differ in number of the language class second. Fourth, so in statistic accumulation from the teacher interview and includes the reply from the various language teachers and the skill hard viewpoint of the learners of using multimedia project and their. Next. Yang terakhir ada summary of result. Summary of result including argument frequently refers that explain using multimedia projector in ELT classroom, so it also there with the purpose of article is to provide that different language teaching methods like communication language teaching and the sports multimedia projector. It is also not that with teacher using video multimedia project student and some result take about the challenge of using audio and video material in language based on the top the discourse or problem B perfect English teaching classroom. Next ada research purpose. This study aims to explore how if teacher explains this development by stealing L from quite a long time the questionnaire, which often enclose a FL Teacher free Facebook in total 27 partisipan for 6 different countries reported 2 questions. Oke, sekian presentasi dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.